Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at an iPad Air 11 inch 256 gigabytes. Wi-Fi plus cellular. So you get a USB-C to C cable, braided, and then the usual pack. So that's the energy, which is G. What is this? So you now get some tips as well. I think you get them in a few different languages. Some information in here about the model. So this is the camera, and yeah, let's just move this, take it out. I can already see the antenna. So down the bottom there's like pins, and then that's the camera, and that's the antenna, which goes down as well, and that's how it is on the front. So it looks like it has a matte display. Then on the bottom you have the speakers, the USB port for charging. On the right side you have the volume up and down, and then nothing on the left side. And on the top again, speaker grill, and from my experience, if you put it down like this, it becomes stereo, and that's the power button. So yeah, let's turn it on. So yeah guys, let's see how long it takes. Hello. Nice. So there you have it.